everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining, or welcome if you're new here. It's Sarah, and today I'm sharing with you a little bit of my morning routine. I don't always have to empty the dishwasher in the morning, but when I do run it, I run it at night so that the first thing that I need to do in the kitchen, besides make my coffee, is get the dishwasher unloaded. Welcome back to Tiny Tidy Tuesday, or welcome to anybody who's just finding us. There are a plethora of playlists and videos for you to watch if you're looking for some tiny tidy motivation. Or just check out my description box where you'll find this week's playlist along with Sunday Dawn's channel, The Helpful Home. Sunday Dawn is the organizer of Tiny Tidy Collaboration. It's an open collaboration, so if you're interested and you have a YouTube channel yourself, we'd love to have you join. Just get a hold of Sunday or comment on any one of our videos. I hope that you find some motivation and a little bit of encouragement today to get a tiny tidy or a tiny task done around your home. Thanks for being here and spending time with me on my channel today. I'd love if you leave me a thumbs up before you leave. Maybe even drop a comment and let me know what you're tiny tidying today or what you have going on in your life today. I appreciate you being here. I hope that you choose to stick around. Just hit that subscribe button before you leave today and the bell notification if you'd like to be notified by YouTube every time that I upload a video. Alright guys, I just want to share with you what I got from Jordan Essentials. This is in our new catalog that debuted end of July, and I want to show you what I got because I'm so excited to be able to have this in my cleaning brigade. Let me bring you just a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing here. Allow me to introduce Jordan Essentials Healthy Home Multi-Purpose Cleaning Solution and Cleaning Set. So this all comes as a set. I think it was $25. This is a blown glass jar, so that makes it a little bit more durable than a regular glass jar. It also comes with these two concentrates. One is a lemon essential oil and one is our Resistance essential oil blend. What I have been doing is making my own cleaner with sort of a vinegar and then adding a few essential oils, which normally I would use lemon or the Resistance blend, which is clove, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, and I think I'm forgetting one. So what we do is empty out one of these concentrates into this bottle. I'm gonna use lemon, and we empty the whole entire concentrate into this bottle and then fill it with water, shake it a little bit, and then we're gonna be able to clean with a peace of mind. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. Anyway, we're gonna be able to clean with a peace of mind that we are using non-toxic, botanically based products. Obviously, it's a water base, so there's gonna be no harsh chemicals or harmful chemicals used in your home around your family. So here it is with the concentrate, and then we're just gonna fill up the rest of it, like to the top, kind of where it curves right here. All right. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you. So what I'm gonna do now is just put the lid on it, the spray lid that it comes with the kit, and then give it a quick shake and then wipe down the counters. I just want to say thank you again for being here and watching my video today. Like I said before, I hope that you got some encouragement and maybe a little bit of motivation sprinkled in there for you to tackle something tiny in your home or in your life today. Be sure and check out my description box where you'll find links to the playlist, to Sunday's channel like I mentioned before, and also I'll have linked information to my web store for Jordan Essentials, as well as a direct link to this healthy home cleaning solution and all the different pieces that you can actually buy individually. If you are interested in Jordan Essentials in any way, potentially as a customer of mine or even as an opportunity for you to make a little bit of extra income, please reach out to me. I am happy to answer any questions, totally pressure-free, and I can just be a way for you to gather information if it's something that intrigues you in any type of way. Once again, thank you for being here. I hope that you enjoyed this real-time cleaning motivation in the form of a tiny tidy today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.